Alright, so I want to create a map that has two lakes, and the village is in the middle of two lakes and it's adjacent to the river. This is some good components of a village that will thrive in the first 3 to 4 years. You have ample space for getting your resources like stone and iron and logs, and ample fields to grow your crops, and of course you have wide ample woods to hunt. Most importantly, you have lakes. Your village should be adjacent to the lakes, and it could be possible that the lake is one of the lake is connected to the river, and so that the fish will not run out that easy. Okay, so this is how I do it, and I hope that it will work for you as well. So let's quit the first game that I had played already. So let's have a map seed. So that is 9. Then right after all of the 0 are zeros, then number 9. So in between of these two 9 are zeros. Let's see how it turns out. There we go. Chicken is the most important livestock that you can have at first. Of course, you can have the cow or sheep by trading, but chicken is the good start. It's easily reproduced and that fast, and so you produce lots of chicken before the workforce for the farm will run out of their food, and then added to the production of the fisherman. Okay, so let's see. There you go. So the village is in between the two lakes, and then the village is adjacent to the river, and it's not that far. It's a small map. That's it. Good to go. Very nice. You got two lakes that is connected, and the other one is connected to the river, and the other one is not. So I might be starting to have my fishing dock here, and very good. It's not that far from the village. That's it. Thank you.